Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, this is your guy Stacey here, and welcome to another reaction video. Last time folks, I just tuned in, I did my 200th video special. I did a bedroom tour. Leave a link to that in the description below. You can hear my own goddamn voice. And yeah, I also did the next story, my Disney First 5 bedtime stories. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. But today, we're reacting to something new. Now, if you've seen, if you've seen my Train Magazine videos, you know, when I get, these Train Magazines, I do a video just to look at them. Some of the magazines came with some DVDs. I told you guys I was going to react to those DVDs. So, we're going to react to, one of the DVDs today. So, I'm going to pop this thing. Where's that? That's I was watching. Let's watch some Family Guy. The pop line. There we go. Just leave it by there for now. Put it back in later. Pop it back in later. Alright, starting up. Look at that time watch thing. First. Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay, BOM August 2016. Now, this can't be real. I mean, August hasn't even come yet. This is the last day of July, so how is this a thing? And authors, got chapters here. Horfield, Fuller, Diorama, Martian District. Ah, Yachts of the Mouth. Fake want to do 3 videos on these 3 chapters. So I think the first video we're gonna react to Horfield. Let's have a look. You guys kinda like hear it, but I'll commentate over it. I guess it's like layouts, it says. Alright. Alright, let's have a look. It's actually very well shot. This is used to have from Thomas back in the days. This is... oh, hello. What train's coming? Ooh. I like that train. That train looks cool. That train looks classy to me. It's got golden paint on it. God damn. Unusual station. I can see Baldy up there. Ooh. Golden. Hey, that's Toad there. Look, there's Toad by there. Brown Toad. I was saying, who's this? Oh, this is so well made. I want this. That train looks also classy. breakfast, mate. What are you doing? I'm pleased to be watching this. Oh, Lord, is that train? Hold on. Jesus, how many trucks are those? Does Smith come in this? Oh, what? Jesus. Wow. 1961. Oh, black and white. It looks like Murdoch. Wait, is it? Yeah, it looks like Murdoch. It does. So Murdoch is in 9F. If anyone asks. Oh my god. Whoa, look at all this. I want this. I'm so jealous right now. Wait, 1 minute. What's this? What trucks are those? Are those computers or something? Those. Hey, what are those, right? Oh no, wait. Are they? Ah. Let's continue. 10 years to finish a layer. God damn. Whoa, hang on. I just saw a good looking train. Wait. You see that train by there? That's like a classy looking train. I like that. 7 or 8 if that's okay. And I like that horse painting they have in the background. And what the hell is this? What's this by it's like no 18s? Wait, they ban 18-year-olds? Well, I don't understand. Wait, someone under the age of 18? Something like that? I don't know. No smoking, no alcohol. That's a good idea. I mean, they would have to have a drink, but not alcohol, right? But what does that mean anyway? I mean, nobody under 18? Oh, that's disrespectful. But all those trains though, God. Let's continue. Go forward, that's a good joke. So well made. First attempt to model the glass. That's... Wow. Electronic glass, is that a thing? What does that say? Pedestrians must not cross the line except by means of a footbridge. I think that's real. Oh, that was a really good shot. Sure, something like a Pong console control. DC? You mean Batman was behind this? See, look, it's Bulgy by there. Green Bulgy. pulling it together forever and ever. Oh god, no. Wait. No, wait. That is a very good shot. How did they do this? I will never know. That's also a good shot. Two very good shots. Oh my god, they got the cinematic. No, they got the widescreen thing. So it makes more cinematic. Cool. That's the same shot they used earlier. My god, he's sweating. Look at him. Damn, 1950s. That's also a nice shot. Wow. Oh my god, it's stuck. Poor field. Okay, guys. I'm actually gonna pause this. Okay, I'm gonna write down 917 so remember which. Yeah, I'll tell you it now. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna write down 917 on the back of the cover. I'm gonna pause this right now. I'm gonna react to the rest of this tomorrow. At least it's my schedule. Tomorrow I'm gonna post a schedule so you know what's gonna be uploaded. I mean, I'll explain it all in the next video, but well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I had a lot of fun watching this so far, and hope to have more fun tomorrow while watching this. It's so well made, like seriously. Okay, next up is Fuller Diorama. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, comment if you enjoyed the DUT as much as I did. I'll leave a link to these two videos in the description, and also a couple of videos if you have a little free time. Make sure you subscribe to JLS Reacts. And coming up next is the next episode of subscription discussion, so hope you guys are looking forward to that. So yeah, I'm just going to look on my subscription page and you'll find out. And if you're on tablets or iPads, just click the link. Yeah. This is JLS signing out, and don't forget, speak your sandwich. Oh, sorry, I had to do that, sorry.